Hello, seniors. Well, this afternoon, in fact, I was just I went to an office to do some transaction. Then all of a sudden, a fire alarm went off. Within a minute of two, Toronto Fire Service or Toronto Fire has arrived at the place with 4 fire tenders. See, look at them. One. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fire tenders. 4 fire tenders to respond to a fire alarm, just to make sure that the building is not on fire. 4 fire tenders. And the staffs, look, see them coming out of the fire tenders. Okay, it's just amazing. It's a sense of urgency. Okay, is extraordinary. 5 fire tenders at the fire alarm that went off. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them moving into the building just to follow up on that fire alarm that went off. 4 fire tenders. This is what we are talking about. Okay, the beauty of urgency. They want to make sure they don't give room to chances. They don't want anything to take them by surprise. Just for the fact that the fire alarm went off, 4 fire tenders responded to that fire alarm. See the fire tenders again. 1, 2. You see? 2. You can see the third one. 2, 3. And there's another one in front. 4 fire tenders responded to. You can see the building. That's the other building. Look, it's amazing. Okay, unlike where some fires came from, they will even call the fire service. The fire service will not even come. And by the time they arrive at the place or in the house, everything is burnt. Everything is gone. Just a fire alarm that went off, and 4 active fire tenders responded to this. Thank you.